Hello friends, today we are going to unbox one of the historical things that I have. It's one of the historical technology which I bought long back and it's still working fine. So I would like to introduce Amazon Kindle keyboard to you guys. So this is one of the Amazon Kindles which I bought from US for $139. $139 because it has all these advertisements, so I think it was $139, and it has all the keypad as per QWERTY keyboard access. And this Amazon Kindle also has, you can play songs, you can play it can convert all your ebooks into audiobooks also. So this was really a revolutionary model and I really loved it. So I asked one of my friends to buy it from the States, and then he bought it for me and then brought it to India. So I paid him around 6,500 rupees at that time, which is equivalent to 1,500 rands or so. So this Kindle keyboard has a power button on the bottom, so which gives you a light when it starts as a green and orange, and then it charges via the old type mini USB, and it also has a headphone jack, and you can control the volume using plus and minus. So on this side you have the buttons to push the page forward and backwards, so which is really nice, and you can store a lot of books. It has like 4 GB of memory, so I have stored around, so you can see there are 56 pages of books. So there are a lot of books which I have read and I have been reading on this Kindle. So, and it still looks pristine. Because I have kept it inside the covers, which I'm going to introduce to you later. So this is really thin and it's very lightweight. So I think I bought it around in 2011 or 12 or something like that. So it's like 9 years I have this Kindle with me. So, and this Kindle is really nice because it easily converts all the audio ebooks into audiobooks, and it also has a browser. And then this Kindle comes with the international 3G connection, which is free in certain countries. So this is really nice. So what I bought is this cover from Musica, one of the companies which got closed in South Africa. So this is a really nice cover which I bought for 50 rands from the store. So it easily stores the Kindle and keeps it in good condition. So this is one of the Kindle covers I bought, and this is really really soft, and I really like the red and the black color. So and then I also bought this one. This is a specific Kindle keyboard cover which I bought from One Day Only for around 60 rands or something like that. And this one is really nice because it you can push your Kindle inside like this, and then it closes from on the top like that, and then your Kindle is secured. And then but it opens up all the buttons as well as side buttons, as well as it also opens up the vents for the audio to come out. And then it on the bottom it has you can easily access all the buttons. And then the best thing about this Kindle is that you can push your hand like this, and then it stays in your hand like that, and then you can easily read all the books easily. Yeah, the only problem with this Kindle with this one is that you cannot put you cannot make it stand like that. And also if you are reading some books, there are a lot of settings. Let's go through one of the books. So if you can see, you will see a lot of settings are there on the Kindle. You can turn wireless on, and there are many other things like so there are many other things like these ones. When you press the AA button on the bottom, you can change the font size, you can change the typeface, you can change the line spacing, you can words per line, you can change it, and text to speech is always turned on, and then you can change the screen rotation as per how you're going to put it. So this one is like the mode currently we have, and then you can change it as per your wish, so which is really great. And then you can store some songs inside, and you can also store some pictures which when you will switch it off, it will be displayed like that. So this is really a very nice device, and I recommend having a Kindle in your life, definitely. And I'm thankful to my friend for bringing it for me from the States. And then I hope, I wish to get the newer version, which is like touch screen and with the comes with the backlighting. So this one doesn't have a backlighting, so which is a difficulty to read in the dark. But you can always have those extra lights on the sides, which I don't have. It's called the book lights. It's available for around 120 rands or something. I haven't bought that so far, but definitely I'm going to buy one of those lights in future. So thank you very much. If you have any questions regarding the keyboard Kindle, just let me know and I'll revert back to you. Moreover, you can buy the latest versions of Kindle on Amazon.in or Amazon.com, and it will be shipped to you in South Africa also. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Bye.